And now for part B, I need to state the dual of the theorem and prove that that identity works as well. So hopefully this should be a lot faster. So I'm going to have x ANDed with x bar or z. So I convert my ands into ors, and into or, w or x, w or y, v or x bar or y bar, and I definitely would have not have wanted to solve this proof the first time using this form. So that equals w or x times y or z, and that's going to be ANDed with v or x bar or y bar or z. That would not be fun. Okay, so reduplicate my first step. I just use no name, so this just becomes xz ORed with w or x, w or y, v or x bar or y bar, w or v is equal to that, and so that's no name. And then I'm going to simplify the next one with distribution. So I had xz, or so I would have w or xy, and with v or x bar or y bar, w or v. So that's distribution. And then I'm going to do De Morgan's. So xz, or so this is going to stay the same, w or xy, and then v. How do I want to do this? So how does this look? So here the De Morgan's was x or y bar, so I'm just going to change that v or x y not, and then w or v. I really don't need that double set of parentheses. That's De Morgan's. And now, so that gives me my consensus. So this is xz ORed with w or xy and v or xy NANDed together, and this goes bye-bye. So I get consensus. And now I've had, my next step was to put that back out into De Morgan's form. So this was xz or w or xy, and De Morgan's this, De Morgan's, and then I've got the distribution thing, so I'm going to put, how does this look exactly? So I have this w or xy ORed xz. So this actually will be easier to see how that distribution worked. And then this is v or x bar or y bar. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, these should be ANDed together, and there should be a dot. Good thing I'm paying attention. And so then this should be ORed with xz. So this is our distribution. And so now this no name should be a little bit easier to see because we just have x bar x, and so this x is going to disappear. So w or xy or xz, v or x bar or y bar or z. So that's no name. Sorry, I put that a little low. So that's how that finished. So that x bar eliminated that x. And here I can just factor out the x from here as well. So this is just going to be x and with y or z. So this will be w or x, y, or z, and v or x bar or y bar or z. So that distribution was easier to see, hopefully now. And I still have 8 steps.